guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is July 11th. It's currently 10:27. Yeah, so I'm going to do my weekly date. So I'm taking summer courses this summer, so I have a few things to get done. I think 2 today, but usually they take me around 30 to 45 minutes, and I get to take you guys along for the ride, and I'm so excited. And yeah, so let's get this day started. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Shelby. Welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, hi, welcome back. And I'm so happy to see you guys. I missed you guys so much. So I love you all so much. Let's get this day started. So my outfit, I should walk you guys through it. Alright, so hat is from American Eagle. This is from, actually I believe this is from American Eagle too. And this is not sponsored, by the way. So, and then I believe these are from Aerie. I think these shorts are from Aerie, which is a sub-brand of American Eagle. Together, and it somehow happened to be the same outfit. Guys, Flower Appreciation Day. Doing a segment on my YouTube channel every week. I show you guys the flowers that my boyfriend got me. This week is these beautiful pink flowers. I love them so much. I wish I could just bottle them up and they couldn't die, you know? Like, they're so pretty. Let's go start our day. Morning, guys. So I'm here with my lovely special guest, my puppers, my doggo. His name is Cosmo. Oh, you, bud. What do you want to say? What do you want to say to your fans? Oh, it's a love sniff. Guys, so I took him to get his puppuccino. I got my usual pink drink. And this is like an every week thing. I'll come here and I'll hang out for a little bit. And I'll listen to a podcast. My favorite podcast right now is Anything Goes podcast by Omg It's very nice, very good. It's like therapy, you know, it's much cheaper than therapy. It feels so relaxing and nice. Here is Mr. Cosmo's puppuccinos? Oh no, it's gonna make a mess. Okay. I've been waiting all morning for this, huh? Cup is gone. So today's episode is a happy and healthy life. I'm not gonna lie, I've really enjoyed listening to podcasts. I used to not like them at all, but I think as time went on I kind of realized it's relaxing when I'm like relaxed or I'm just kind of chilling. It's nice to just listen to and like I vibe with it, for sure. I vibe with it. It's a little awkward for me. I'm still trying to get comfortable with like vlogging and filming in public, which I'm getting there eventually. It's so awkward when I'm just filming and people look at me, you know? It's something to get used to. What I kind of get for putting it on my steering wheel. Honestly though, it works. It works like so well. Steering wheel not being in the way really adds to it. Chef's kiss, you know? It's weird to me that time is flying by so quick. Like, I cannot believe that I'm a senior in high school and I won't even be in high school. It's the weird thing. Very, very excited for what my future is going to hold and what's to come because I know it's going to be awesome and I cannot wait to share it all with you guys. It's just been so nice. I've really missed doing YouTube though. YouTube is like a hobby of mine that I've had for years and it breaks my heart when I don't always have time for it. Like, if there's anything about college, it's that I notice I don't have as much free time during the busy ones. For my hobbies, I don't even have time to watch TV or movies, you know? Like, it's probably, I maybe watch 2, maybe 3 movies out of the entire semester by myself or with family. Like, usually, or not in the semester, minor terms, but still. Kind of crazy, y'all. Kind of crazy. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna have our therapy session. We're going to listen to our podcast, drink our pinkity drinkity, and live our life, you know, live our best life. 11:17 now, and I think we're gonna head out and we're gonna head home. I have been here for a little over an hour, so I've listened to a little bit of a podcast, but it also, I enjoy the drive here and the drive home, so we're gonna have a nice drive and we're gonna jam out to some music and it's gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, I do have some work I have to get done, so I'm gonna go home, be productive and whatnot, make myself some lunch, and yeah, let's drive. So I made it home and it's currently 1:21 right now, and I'm gonna get started on some of my homework for today. I'm gonna make myself some lunch first. They're sitting in a blender right now. Basically, I am making myself avocado toast. Now you're probably thinking, Shelby, it's 1:27, 1:30, we'll round it, 1:30 in the afternoon. Why are you making avocado toast? Because I want to, and it sounds really good. Not only that, but usually that's my go-to breakfast, and today I'm feeling like mixing it up and making it my go-to lunch. But I'm gonna tell you guys, or show you guys, how to make a really good avocado toast. Like, in my opinion, like the best. So you're gonna need seasoning, but not just any seasoning, your flakes. And I personally love the Longhorn seasoning. Technically it's for grilling, but it's really good on avocado toast. And then you might need an avocado. We wait for our toast to get all toasted. Gosh, this avocado is such a big seed, oh my gosh. So once you have your beautiful slices of toast, I split it up in two because it's too big to otherwise fit in the toaster. You're gonna take your avocado, and because this is a smaller one, for the sake of the video, we'll use the whole avocado. But normally, so after you added your seasoning, you add your chili flakes. Only if you like it spicy, which I definitely like it spicy. So now that our avocado toast is done, I'm gonna cut a mango because mangoes sound really good right now. And you can never go wrong with having mango with avocado toast. Teaching you all my wonderful lunch. Call me Chef Boyardee. It's just beautiful.